Welcome. To know the color code of any color, open the Google Chrome browser. Then search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the first given link. After the page get open, in search bar type color pick eyedropper. Check spelling. Then click on color pick first option. And wait. It will show you to add to Chrome. Click on that. It will show you a pop-up to add extension. Click on add extension, then wait. It will automatically get added to your screen, then close it. Now click on extension. And then pin color picker to main browser screen. Then go back to Google. Now search for any image, or if you want to know the color of alphabet G. Then click on color picker. It will show you a selection cursor. Then move it to G. It will automatically start generating code hexadecimal and RGB. You can now copy which code you want, then close it and use it anywhere. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.